Welcome, everyone. Welcome to Transformational Gangstas app. My name is Maria Ingadia Brody, and it is an honor and a pleasure to be with you. You can learn, if this is your first time, you can learn more about us through our website, Google us inside this app, reach out to us. We're here for you. I just want to give you a walkthrough on how to use this app, your official Transformational Gangstas app. It's your private space. It's a safe space that we've created for you. And it is private. All the work that you do inside this app is your own private portal. And this space is for mastering your mindset. It's for mental wellness, mental health. Your mental health matters. This is our passion. And it's for whole life transformation. Whether you're here as a basic member or a premium TG Solutionizer member, we want to be sure that you're navigating through our app in confidence and that you have everything at your fingertips. And for those of you who may feel intimidated or possibly uncomfortable with navigating through apps, we're here to support you. We're here to set up Zooms with you so that you could find the comfort. Once you learn how to navigate, like driving a car, you learn how to drive through the streets in your community, it will get easier and easier. This is the best space for us to share our information at your fingertips whenever and wherever you need it. And it is, like I said, private, and we reduce spam and we reduce any outside noises. What I'm sharing with you right now is what we call Discovery page. The Discovery page is the first page that you see when you're ready to log in. And everything's scrollable. So I'm scrolling down. This is the first page you see. It's called Discover. This is where I want you to sign up for your basic TG membership. We have two different types of memberships. One is your basic, and the basic is for free. And we show you here what it does include. And we also have premium memberships. You may not see that in here because we take care of all that behind the scenes for our premium members, whether you're a corporate member of ours, or a individual. We take care of that for you behind the scenes. So please, in all ways, sign up for your basic membership. Also, what I want to share with you, inside your basic membership, there'll be tools for you to access, inspirational posts, breath work, live meditation. And for the premium members, everything is unlocked. All the modules that you need to see is unlocked. Videos, tools, special invites, that's all for you. And if you're not sure about something, don't you worry. There's a search icon inside the app. I'm going to get to that shortly, where you can search inside the app for whatever you need. You could read testimonials, and that is your Discover page. Right here on the side, you'll see Discover. If you're a basic member, you'll see Mindshift. Premium members, you'll see Community and Tracking, and everyone will see the profile. The first step is to go and download the app, whether it's an Android or an Apple. We're in all app stores, so you can find us. Download the app that suits you. And also, what we recognize, this is a learning experience for myself, for you. An app is a living, breathing document. What that means is we are continuously updating our information as we grow with you. We are building a community of individuals that are ready to break free from anything that's holding you back, where you may be stuck. We're here to continuously practice building our skill sets, our self-loyalty time to care for our mind, body, spirit. This is what we're doing here. And if at all you're stuck, you reach out to us, okay? The goal, so you'll see Mindshift. So the goal is to download your app. What I did recognize today, if your phone has lesser storage and you recognize that it takes longer for some of the information to upload, It may just be that you need some more storage in your phone to accept this app, and or maybe remove another app so that you can have a flow and it'll upload faster. So if you notice that it's taking a little time, you may need to update your phone or your computer. Maybe go on your computer and use it instead of your phone, which may be easier because you can get this desktop as well. You are able to get this on your desktop. That's very important for you to know. The next, we're going to move into Mindshift. Mindshift is your learning modules, okay? So we're navigating towards Mindshift, and we want to check this out. This is where the real transformation happens. This is what we'll call your dashboard, your TG dashboard, where you want to, in a ways, go back to if you get lost navigating in our app. Inside the app, we're going to direct you to all different spaces. And if you get lost, go back home to Mindshift. Right here, you'll see your icon button. You click on that icon, you type in whatever you need to type in, and it'll come up for you, okay? It'll give you different things. So that's a great feature. Okay, let's go back here. I also want you to know that there is you'll see a back button. If you get lost, Mindshift is where to go. Each module includes guided coaching, exercises, audio, video content designed to help you break free from fear, stress, and anxiety, and that mental noise that holds you back. And what the goal is the goal is to guide you to step into your power, step into your peace of mind, step into ease, faith, love, peace, and ease. This is what we all want as human beings. And practice self-loyalty. It's all about self-loyalty, putting that oxygen mask on for yourself. Many of us inside our community are caregivers, whether it's for children, families, home, your work, teachers. We're here. And we also need to care for ourselves, and we help support you with that. An important tip is don't skip around. Each module will build upon something else. We have a group of TG ambassadors, and inside the community section, which I'll show you next, you'll be able to message any of our ambassadors. You'll be able to call us, email us. Don't feel uncomfortable to do that. This is what we're here for. So we're going to lead you to documents. Okay, so let's just say we want you to go to breathwork. Each of these modules, you'll see, for me, I have access to everything. I'm a premium member, and I'm also admin. So you scroll and you'll see all different modules that we labeled for you. Inside each module, learning module, like 1 of 8, there's 1 of 8 lessons in the 7-day self-loyalty challenge. There's four master classes each year, so you'll see 4 modules in there. But I'm going to give you an example of, let's go with the 7-day self-loyalty challenge. You click on it. This is where the navigation may get confusing from some of you, and we get it, okay? But if whatever gets highlighted, as you see my cursor is getting highlighted, it's clickable. Day 3 is clickable. It'll go somewhere else. Day 4, clickable. It'll go somewhere else. So you want to keep clicking on that. And then each of these bars here, they're clickable as well. This will take you to the live Zoom. We want to give you as much information as possible. This is clickable. So this will bring you to a PDF document. Okay. And again, if it feels intimidating, reach out to us. We want to be here for you. And then if that happens, you go back. Everything's a go back button. You want to continuously go back if you get lost, or go over to Mindshift. Okay. For the basic members, you won't have full access as the premium members. They are paid memberships. Okay. If you want to learn more, we're here for you. There is community. We have a basic membership community. You have to click on it. Each channel has different purpose. We treat the community as, let's say, Facebook or social media. We're going to put all of our posts inside here. The goal was to get away from the Facebook community or the social media community and keep it inside our own private home. Transformational Gangstas. Transformation to change form. Gangsta is, we believe, your state of mind. So these are different channels. Each channel, let me just get to the back button here. Let me move this out of my way. You see this back arrow, that'll always take you back. So Premium Solutionizer members, maybe we're going to give you some different information. You click, you can message people, you can see members for premium, for basic, you can message us inside the app, you can email us and give us a phone call. And be sure, and then for premium members, we have tracking. So you'll have your tracking section where you could track your information. And we'll also have tutorials for you. Once a week, we go live and we do a tutorial for those so we could get deeper into it. And use your back arrow. If you get lost, you go back home to Mindshift and you find yourself there again. And your profile. Very important you set up your profile. The reason we need your picture, your name, we want to know who you are. Anyone who does not do that, we will give you an opportunity to set up your profile. We will email you, we will message you, and if we don't hear back from you, we will delete you from our app, okay? Because we want to know who you are. And we're not looking for any type of spam inside our app. We want to avoid it as much as possible. Set up your app. Make sure your notifications are turned on. We do send messages inside the community. We send notifications to you inside the app. If your notifications is not turned on, you will not receive our notifications. For premium members, we have a live studio. The live studio, and I'll show you where that is, Mindshift. Always go back to your house. We have a live studio where we offer you weekly yoga classes or movement classes. And we want to make sure that you get notified when this is happening. Okay? This is for you. And also for basic members, when we are doing our free breathwork class, we're going to send you a notification. We do weekly free breathwork classes and free meditation classes. I'll show you that part right here inside our app. Click on it. Get yourself there. We'll drive you there. We'll give you the link inside the community through the notification, and we'll drive you to this part of our app. Once you're here, if you get lost on navigation, go back with your arrow. Find yourself in Mindshift so you can find your navigation button, and it'll take you where you need to go. Okay, we keep everything in our app. This is why it's a living, breathing document. With that being said, making sure you're all set up with your profile and turn on your notifications. We're going to notify you. Tracking is our accountability tool. It's your accountability tool. So you can keep track. At Transformational Gangstas, we have 3 basic critical tools: breathwork, gratitude journaling, and meditation. And that's what we track to hold ourselves accountable. Go in there, and when we're practicing any 7-day self-loyalty challenges or any of our breaking free masterclasses, we track our progress. Keep in mind, we do 4 times a year a 7-day self-loyalty challenge. And those are for our premium members to build their skill sets or to break free. If you're stuck, you must show up. For our basic members, this is an opportunity for you to see what we have and go through these with us. Okay, so you'll learn more about that. We have 4 times a year breaking free masterclasses. Again, Solutionizer members, this is for you to build your skill sets. Basic and new members, this is for you to see what we do inside our community. So you want to make sure that you use your tracking, set up your profile. Something very important. When you download the app, I know you're inside our app, that's all great. If you do not get our SMS, not notifications through the app, but our text messaging from our Transformational Gangsters verified number, we need you to opt in to one of our challenges, or go download the book. Sheila and I wrote a book, Breaking Free from Mobster to Mentor. You can get your ebook right here inside the app. You can get your audio done in my voice right here inside the app. Okay. But we need you to opt into something, whether it's a 7-day self-loyalty challenge or a masterclass. We need to verify your cell phone number so that our systems can speak to your cell phone number and you could receive our text messages and any important notifications. It's very important you do that. Otherwise, it'll go to spam. Also, check your emails, your spam emails, and whitelist our email. Our email is info@transformationalgangstas.com. Once you're a premium member, you may see emails from our branded email. It's called info@wellnessspace.us. We are an evolving company. We've been in business for 28 years, and the goal is to keep structure. Okay, so this is what I have for you for now. Remember to set up your profile. Remember to sign up for basic membership. Remember, your Mindshift is where everything lives. It's your dashboard. Download the app. You can also get this on your desktop, which is great. We have for you monthly newsletters for you to read, and weekly blogs that we write ourselves. The founder, Sheila Brody, she'll write the blogs and the weekly blogs, the monthly newsletters. We have a full team that are committed and are confidential, that support Transformational Gangsters community, that support you. Okay, you are important to us, and we are in this together. We're providing you the space, the safe space for you to share, for you to break free, for you to find freedom, transformation. Set up discovery calls. The discovery calls are free. There's many things that are free for you. Okay, we have for the basic members, the live free breath work weekly, the live free meditation weekly. And we want to hear from you. We want you involved in our community. We want you to drop notes in the chat. We want you to explore inside our app. And if you're stuck, we can help you get unstuck. This is what we're experts at. We're experts with change management, coaching, and mentoring. We work with businesses and on a personal level. We work with teens and we work with the aging. We're here for you. We love you. We thank you. And that's what I have for you today. Thank you.